Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life? It's kinda crazy.
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
Wakey, it's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Show me your dog as a
Heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly. Come on, little.